Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Itrusou milk frother. The model type is TF102. It's an 8-in-1 electric milk frother and steamer with automatic hot and cold foam, and it's even dishwasher safe. Here we have the information, 500 watts, and here we have some of the functions, but I'm going to show you that in real life. So here we are, a really beautiful one. And it comes of course with this power cord, and here we have the instructions manual. It's actually very easy to use, but maybe it can still help you a little bit when you see all the details. And so we can use it for hot cocoa, cold foam, hot chocolate, hot milk, fluffy foam, non-dairy, plant milk, hot dense foam, latte art, and many things, almost everything which you can imagine. And what's unique here is, and very helpful, that's the non-stick coating. A lot of similar devices come just with normal stainless steel, and then at the bottom where it gets hot, the milk can be very sticky and difficult to remove. We have also this dual layer bottom, and of course it comes also with this lid. And here inside we have the removable whisk. So you can see we can easily fully clean the whole thing. There are no mechanical things here inside or connecting to the engine down there. And what's important to know are the different filling amounts. We have the minimum, we have the maximum for the foam, and we have the maximum for the heating here. And so here we have the center part with the motor, and we have the one which heats up and makes the foam, and we have the whisk here. By the way, you can also take it apart if you need more thorough cleaning. And so we add it here before we add the milk, and then we add the milk or whatever you want to add. And I highly recommend to not use the last part of a large milk container, because there's not much fat here inside. And so if you want to impress friends or family, use a rather new bottle and the milk from the top, because it has much more fat inside. So you can create a more thick and creamy foam. And so we add enough, but not more than the maximum here. And so we close the lid, and you can see, by the way, the lid is really nice. It has this seal which makes it very tight. And so we put it on top here, and so we choose the function which we want with this really nice selector switch here. And in my case I go with this one here, which is the hot dense foam. And so we turn it on with a push, and so we can see how it starts. And we really don't have to do anything. We can just watch and wait or do some other things. And we can also notice that it's very quiet, doesn't produce a lot of noise. And the really nice thing, there's even a cooling fan built in underneath to keep everything cool and safe. And we can see already the heat now, which is producing some condensation. And so when we see the light here stopped and not rotating anymore, then the process is finished. Even though the fan is still cooling the core unit down, we can take it, and when we touch it, we can see that it is really nicely double insulated, so you don't have to fear anything. The only thing is that you shouldn't put it on a sensitive desk or so, because at the bottom it's very hot. So we are using this thing here, we put this on the side, and now we are trying the foam here, and we can see, watch this thing, watch how thick and creamy this is. This is absolutely awesome, absolutely thick, creamy, foamy, as good as it gets. Yeah, that's absolutely awesome. Some of the best foam which I've ever seen, and we can test that also with a spoon. As you can see, incredible density of this foam, absolutely amazing. And again, super stylish, very functional, solid, as good as it gets. And so I can give you full recommendation, and so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.